You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say this name and more confusing vocabulary and names too. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Teva, if you're talking about the brand, the pharmaceuticals brand. Teva might be used as a first name. Teva is the company name. And now you know. More videos here for you to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.